Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Lavinisha, and today I will show you the most essential skills in programming, um, how to push your project in Git. So first thing first is um, you should log in your GitHub account. So yeah, this is my GitHub account. So it is important that you already have a GitHub account. Then the next step is um, we should create our repository. So first, you see this upper left corner, this new, then so this is how we create our repository. So let's put our repository name. So for example, is my first project. So yeah, it is important that you choose the visibility into public. Then let's create our repository. Next is we should leave it like this here because this tree we will use it later when we push our project. So next step is let's open our Visual Studio. Yeah, Visual Studio. Let's open it. So the first step you do when you open your Visual Studio Code is you open your folder where your project is located. So let's um, open. Mm, So this is the folder. So let's select the folder. So here's my first project. So the next thing the next thing we do is go to terminal, new terminal, then click this arrow, then git bash. So so after you open your terminal, then go to git bash. This is the first thing you should do or you should put. So let's git init. Then put let's config our GitHub account. So git config our user that name. So catcat16. So this is my username. Then our user email. Git config user that email. So 2022 1509 at nbsc.ph. Oh my god, it is wrong. So let's. It's wrong. 2022, it's 1. Hello. 1509. Okay, so it is important that the the email that you put is correct. So next is let's add. So git add, ano, let's add our um project. Okay, then let's complete. Okay. Then my first project. Then after this, so yeah, it already um add my um project, which is this in the folder. So checker, HTML, dashboard, index, and so on. So the next thing we do is um, let's go back to our GitHub account. So, so the next thing we do is get this tree. So just copy this, then paste it here. Enter, then that's it. Let's wait. Mhm. Yeah. So sign in with your browser. Then yeah, that's it. Then let's go. Yeah, authentication succeeded. Then let's see if it's already done. Yeah, so that's it. This this is how um you push your project in Git. So thank you for watching.